Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna discuss about Halloween celebration event which is going on right now. So as you can see, this is a 6-7 days event. So this is a haunted town escape game which can give you lots of resource and eventually more rewards. So you can see this, you have a daily freebie here. You can claim it to play this game. With this ticket you can play for one time, so eventually you can get more by playing these games and completing tasks. Okay, so for this you have to invite two cheerleaders so you can play this game with them. Okay, so you can see here there are mileage points here. It will eventually get bigger and updated when you play it. You have to select cheerleaders from here, share invite, and you can invite a world or your alliance. Okay, when they join you can play the event or this mini game. So you can share with your alliance or world, and once they get selected you can select auto deploy and start the game and enjoy this little haunted town escape game. And you can start. This game is like Subway Surfer. You just have to run and collect all the resources, magnets, etc. Health, choose this, and you have to complete these obstacles like Subway Surfer, and you'll get mileage points. You can see you have to score as much as you can for mileage increase. So you have to play this right and keep your health for your better mileage. You have to ignore these zombies and collect all the collectibles and clear these obstacles, or else you will be finished. So this is my first attempt and this is my new record, 8271 meter. I have achieved this mileage. Okay, so this mileage will eventually help you to get better points in next rounds. And you can see items received here, 8 tokens and gift box. So you can play this as many as you time. When you collect these collectibles you can get pull one time or pull 5 times option, and you can get from here a gift. So you just have to click on pull times, and I got a resource chest, 5 resource chest. And if you have many tickets you can play as many as you can and get those mileage points and these loot boxes. Also there are tasks which will be eventually completed and you will get mileage points and more tickets to play, so you can play more and get more better rewards. The section, so you have to complete all these tasks to get those mileage points and rewards. And you can play with those cards you have collected while completing your missions. So you can once again start and play these games and get better rewards for completing it. I hope this video is useful to you.